This is my wife's milk frother, branded ProBreeze. It is dead as a very dead thing. The cleaner washed it in the sink, and my wife subsequently tried to use it, not realising. A great warning if you happen to think to look at the base. Quite surprised to actually see a 3 amp fuse in the plug. A number of things I've opened recently to find a 13 amp one in the plug, completely unnecessary. And that is okay. Continuity with all the connections through to the base. And through to the appliance itself. There's a small fuse on the neutral side of the PCB. Which is okay. A bridge rectifier. Which is okay. A switching controller, a small transformer, and on the low voltage side of the board. Just going to apply approximately 12 volts to the low voltage side of the board to see if it appears to be okay. So this is the output capacitor from the power converter. Plus negative here. Yep, that beep is the beep the appliance normally makes when it's powered up. So that would appear to be working. This is the power controller IC. It's responsible for converting the mains, well, at 400 volt DC after it's been rectified, down to a low DC voltage. It's a KP2168SG. I've confirmed this is attempting to work by giving it a low 13 volts across this capacitor here, and a load resistor to the drain here, and you can see that there are short bursts of pulses where it's trying to power up and then is shutting down when it's not seeing a feedback signal. So I'm happy that that works. What I have since found with a multimeter is there is no continuity on the primary windings between the 400 volt DC supply to this pin and the drain switched to ground by the IC on this pin. So this transformer has a open circuit primary winding. Why it doesn't work?